Hi my dear beginner violin player, welcome to my channel. My name is Valerie and I will be your violin teacher. On my channel you saw already so many videos with the lessons for the beginner violin players, intermediate violin players, some music theory lessons. I decided, guys, to create for you a songbook, 15 easy songs for beginner violin players. This book is available only in PDF format, so you always will be able to use your book or on a tablet or on your computer or maybe even on the phone. To be able to use this book, the only thing what you need to have on your computer or your tablet or your phone is Adobe Reader. Like this, it will be much more easier for you to use that book. MP3 files with the piano plus metronome accompaniment coming in the separate folder. So first, what you're gonna do, you'll open your book, you look at the first page where you have a song, then you click on free lesson with the book open, you watch free lesson, and then after that you will play your exercises. And when you play your exercise for the song and the song, of course you can use the MP3 piano plus metronome accompaniment. I think enough with the presentation and we should start with our lessons. Number 10 on a green meadow. The yellow sticker here, just right here, says use half of the bow for quarter notes and full bow for half notes. Smooth bow changes. Note A only fourth finger. Play accurately to a metronome. Pay attention to fingering in the notes. And here you have half of the bar break. Please first look at the tempo. Moderato BPM 97. To be able to play with your MP3 accompaniment, you have to learn where you're supposed to start. So, please look at the time signature. 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Try to do it by yourself. I'm pretty sure that it wasn't so easy. Please pay attention on your fourth finger. You have to stretch it all the time. You always have to remember that first we are placing the finger and then we are moving the bow. Exercise number 10, A on a green meadow. Let's check what our sticker says. Place third finger on A string and E string at the same time. Use half of the bow for quarter notes and full bow for half notes. Smooth bow changes. Note A only fourth finger. Play accurately to a metronome. Pay attention to a first beat in every bar. It's not necessary to play all the time with the accompaniment. Sometimes, if you feel like, you can play without piano and a metronome. just to clarify for yourself where you have to place the finger, what kind of note value you have in the song. Maybe you can try a little bit to do a vibrato. When you are playing on the different strings, don't forget about positioning of your right elbow. This book will help you to improve your bow skills and also bow stroke détaché and legato. As well, you will learn how to play with the metronome and to not run a little bit ahead of metronome or to be a little bit behind the metronome. As well, you will feel more comfortable to play with the piano, because sometimes students, they learn their part but they don't know the piano part, and when they are playing with the accompaniment they don't feel very secure. So this book will help you to do that as well, to feel secure when you're playing with the piano or any other accompaniment. And of course, instead of using the stickers on your violin, this book will help you to learn the notes on your violin with these nice happy yellow pictures. Don't forget to practice and see you in the next video lesson.